Hey y'all, Natalie here. Today I'm creating a Christmas project with Paper House Productions products, and those are the Scratch and Sniff stickers from Playhouse. And they are so fun. You should definitely pick some up for yourself or for your kids. And what I'm doing is creating these little pockets for the stickers to slide into. And these pockets are going to be delivered by a special Santa's helper. So what we have here is I cut out my children's initials in gold glitter, and then I'm adhering them to the front of the pocket before I assemble the pocket. So I'm just grabbing some of the 3D stickers and some of the cardstock stickers and just putting a little cluster there together of embellishment, mostly so they can know which stickers belong to them. So here we have it. So I suggest decorating the front of your pocket before adhering it, just because you use foam and it's 3D and it's just easier to decorate beforehand. So that's pretty much it. It's super simple. Just create a little cluster on some patterned paper, and then I have cut the white cardstock slightly larger than the patterned paper. And now I'm going to cut tiny little strips of this 3D foam, and this is just from like Walmart. And I'm going to line 3 sides of the patterned paper with this 3D foam. And I start doing with glue, and then I'm like, no, I don't want to wait for it to dry. So I actually use my AEG, whatever, that gun, and it really sticks well. So like I said, I just lined 3 sides of the cardstock with strips of the foam, and then the other side is already sticky, so I just pull the sticky backing off and stick it onto the white cardstock that's slightly larger than the patterned paper. And I made sure there were no gaps so that nothing falls out of the pocket. And you can do this in whatever size that you want to hold whatever item you want to encase. You can do it and add holes and put in your planner or your scrapbook album, and there they are. Cute little things. And here's the final shot. So thanks for watching today. Bye.